Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus is finally here. The first thing you notice, it feels familiar, very familiar. Samsung chose to focus on software this time around. That's not a bad thing, but don't expect a radical hardware redesign. The S25 Plus looks a lot like its predecessor, the S24 Plus. It has the same sleek design and premium feel. The big changes are happening under the hood. Samsung is betting big on AI and software enhancements. Is this the right move for Samsung? Well, that's what we're here to find out. Let's dive into the details and see if the S25 Plus is a worthy upgrade. Section 2, AI takes center stage. Software steals the show. The latest Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus is not just another smartphone, it's a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. Samsung is making a big deal about AI in the S25 Plus, and for good reason. The integration of AI is more seamless and intuitive than ever before. The new AI features are impressive. They offer a range of functionalities that make everyday tasks easier and more efficient. One UI 7.0 is smoother and more intuitive than ever. The user experience has been significantly enhanced, making navigation a breeze. Natural language search is a game changer. You can now interact with your phone in a more natural and conversational manner. Need to change your display settings? Just ask your phone. Voice commands make it incredibly convenient to adjust settings on the go. Background noise cancellation in videos is a welcome addition. This feature ensures that your recordings are clear and free from unwanted noise. No more distracting noises ruining your recordings. This makes the S25 Plus perfect for content creators and casual users alike. The star of the show is Gemini, Google's answer to AI assistants. This powerful tool is designed to make your life easier. It's integrated directly into One UI 7.0. This means you can access Gemini's features seamlessly within the Samsung ecosystem. Gemini is powerful, but still a work in progress. While it offers many benefits, there are moments when it doesn't quite hit the mark. Sometimes it nails it, sometimes it misses the mark. This inconsistency is something to be aware of as the technology continues to evolve. One thing's for sure, AI is changing how we use our phones. The advancements in AI technology are making our devices smarter and more capable. And the S25 Plus is leading the charge. With its cutting-edge AI features, it sets a new standard for what a smartphone can do. Section 3. Camera and Display. Refining the essentials. The camera is a smartphone's heart, capturing moments and memories with just a click. The S25 Plus doesn't disappoint, offering a robust camera experience. It boasts a versatile triple camera system, perfect for any scenario. The main sensor is a 50-megapixel beast, ensuring high-resolution photos. You get a 10-megapixel telephoto lens for those zoomed-in shots, capturing distant subjects with clarity, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens for capturing expansive landscapes, making sure nothing is left out. Photos are sharp, colors are vibrant, and details are meticulously preserved. Portrait mode is excellent, blurring the background naturally, making subjects stand out. Samsung's signature color saturation is still here, adding a punch to every photo. Some might find it a bit oversaturated, but I like the vibrancy it brings, making images pop. The display is a 6.7-inch AMOLED panel offering an immersive viewing experience. It's bright, sharp, and beautiful, perfect for any content. Colors pop, blacks are deep, providing a rich contrast. Scrolling is buttery smooth thanks to the 120 Hz refresh rate, enhancing the user experience. The display is a joy to use for everything from browsing the web to watching movies, making it a versatile companion. Section 4. The verdict, a worthy upgrade. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus is a solid phone, offering a blend of performance and style that many users will appreciate. It's not a revolutionary upgrade, but it doesn't need to be. The incremental improvements make a noticeable difference in daily use. Samsung took a great phone and made it even better, refining the user experience and adding useful features. The AI features are genuinely useful, enhancing both the camera and overall performance. The camera is top-notch, capturing stunning photos. And the display is gorgeous, offering vibrant colors and sharp details, making it perfect for media consumption. Battery life is excellent, easily lasting a full day, even with heavy use, ensuring you stay connected without worry. The S25 Plus starts at $999, which is a significant investment. That's a lot of money for a phone, but it's important to consider what you're getting for that price. You're getting a premium device with top-of-the-line features, from the build quality to the software experience. The S25 Plus is a statement, showcasing Samsung's commitment to quality and innovation. It shows that Samsung is committed to innovation in software and AI, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. If you're looking for a phone that's future-proof and packed with features, the S25 Plus is worth considering. It offers a balanced mix of performance, design, and innovation.